George Mason comes to town to Chaifetz Arena tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. It is our annual Pink Game. We are going to honor all those that have been touched by cancer, in particular breast cancer. It's our breast cancer awareness game. We are proud to be sporting pink t-shirts. The first 1,000 fans will receive a pink t-shirt, as well as our team will be wearing some brand new pink Nike tennis shoes. They're really excited about it, and they're also excited about talking about the awareness and how cancer has touched so many of us in so many different ways. I've had friends, family members. The late Kay Yao, obviously at North Carolina State, was a dear friend of mine. To be able to honor those on a specific game here at Chaifetz Arena for a women's basketball game is something we're very proud of, and we hope we get a tremendous crowd, expecting the biggest crowd in school history. I'm excited to showcase our wonderful team against George Mason tomorrow, as well as pay special tribute to breast cancer awareness. The game will showcase a player named Taylor Brown from George Mason, who is one of the top scorers in the conference, a very, very solid point guard, really good off the bounce. She's very Steph Curry-like, if you will. She can score in a lot of ways. She's the head of the snake, as we like to call it in coaching, in terms of slowing them down offensively. Our first game of the A-10 season this year was at George Mason. It's a heartbreaker for us, another close game of ours, and I believe there's 5 games on our record that we came up on the wrong end of, where we had a lead late in the game and were unable to close the door. The growing pains this team has gone through, both good, bad, highs, lows, awards, disappointments, and celebrations. We've gone through a lot of mixed emotions throughout the season, and still feeling really, really good about how we're playing. Tough loss the other night against St. Bonaventure, a team that really imposed their will in the second half and were able to out-tough us down the stretch and beat us. We've responded. It took a day to get over that one, but a day and a half to prepare for a really good George Mason team is what we've moved on to. Brand new day, brand new opportunity. One of 2 remaining home games in Chaifetz Arena. It's imperative that we get back on the horse. We get out there, we play defense, we do all we can to defend Taylor Brown. Their team is a group of a number of very, very talented BCS transfers. Their coach, Nyla, is a former Missouri native, coming from Missouri State, and comes back to this area. I'm sure she'll have friends and family here. But the Billikens need to be focused on the next job at hand, and that task is going to involve a tremendous team effort defensively. We need to do a great job in the half and full court defense. Offensively, we must shoot the ball better. You're not going to win many games shooting under 30%. The disappointing fact is that last game, obviously, we shot under 30% on our home court. We have responded after disappointing losses in the past. We hope that that continues in terms of us responding in a positive fashion. We had a heartbreaker at Richmond, bounce back against GW. Heartbreaker that night, hopefully we'll bounce back now here against George Mason. The season's coming quickly to an end. The fun is just beginning. We hope that we can get back on the winning track against George Mason tomorrow. Take Sunday off and then get ready to go to Rhode Island. And a week from Sunday is our last home game against the Dayton Flyers in the NCAA 10 tournament. So momentum, need continued momentum, continued positive play, and continued wonderful support we have from all of you out there coming to watch us play. Bring a friend, wear your pink, come and get a free t-shirt, and cheer on the Billikens in honor of breast cancer awareness.